Hello everyone, here on the video we're gonna show you Sesimbra area, mostly Sesimbra Castle, which is known as the Castle of the Moors. This castle is located in Setúbal, and this castle stands in a position on a cliff, and it was built in the ninth period and was a settlement for the Muslims during the occupation of Iberia. And on that time was known as Alcasofa, which later this castle was controlled by the first king of Portugal, Dom Afonso Henriques, which was a great conqueror of the Portuguese territory, and he took over control of this area. Later, Portuguese have lost the control of this castle and was handled by the Moroccan Berbers, Almohads, and on this time this castle get almost destroyed.